Hi. In today's video, I am going to give you 5 important tips to help you editing videos faster in Filmora 9. Let's getting started now. Like any other video editing programs, Filmora 9 may sometimes crash, or shut down suddenly. You should always check the project settings prior to do any further editing work. At the main workspace, go to File, select Project Settings. Check the output resolution, frame rate, and lock the settings for your project. Then go to Preferences. Make sure you know where to find your backup projects, at the Save tab. And change the preferences in the Performance tab to have smooth playback when editing videos. Just follow my recommendation to get the best performance when using Filmora 9 if you want. Tip number 2. Being well organized. With Filmora 9, you can create new media folder for adding videos, images, audio files, or sound effect to these folders. Don't forget to make use of this feature, especially when you're working on a big project, with many clips, sound effect etc. It will give you more control of your footage and save your time. With Filmora 9, you can copy the effect from one clip, and paste it in multiple clips to have the same look. This tip is useful when you want color grading multiple clips on the timeline. It's similar to using the adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro and other professional video editors. To do that, firstly color grading one clip. It takes some time to color grading the first clip. It depends on how you want to get the final result. When you're happy with your final result, don't forget to save it as preset for later use. Click OK to go back to the timeline. Right-click on the first clip, select Copy Effect. Then, select Other Clips. Right-click and select Paste Effect. Being mentioned that, you should only do this when the footage is recorded in the same lighting conditions, and camera settings. Now you have all clips color graded with just few mouse clicks. Next tip I wanted to mention is View Everything on the Timeline button. Whenever you finish your editing work and want to export the project to get final result, don't forget to view everything on the timeline to see if there is any unused material in your project. I do this all the time, you should do it too. Simply click this button to view everything on the timeline in Filmora 9. Delete unused material, and export your project now. Finally, when you want to export your project to get final result, change the bitrate at the setting page from 20K and above to get the best video quality. At the Export tab, click Settings. Select bitrate number here. Now you're good to go. That's 5 video editing tips when using Filmora 9 for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you have any question, leave your comments at the comment section below. To learn more about Filmora 9, click the end screen annotation to watch more tutorials on my channel. Bye for now.